Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to this wonderful video. Welcome back again to this wonderful vlog. If you are coming across my video for the first time, if you are watching on Facebook, on YouTube, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, follow my page for more videos. Yes, so I want to take you guys to the north. If you haven't been to the north before, have you been to the north before? You haven't been to the north? Okay, let me take you there. Right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm gonna take it north. Yes. So I don't know. Have you heard of Danwake? Have you heard of Danwake? Danwake, son of peace. Yes. If you heard of it, if you have been in North, you understand what I'm talking about. But if you haven't been in North before, come with me. Calm down. Let me take you there. I'm gonna take you there right now. So this is what they call Danwake, son of beans. This is one of the northern food, this thing, you see this food they're seeing here, you see the way they are making it. This is, just simple thing, and the sweetness, the tasty, the delicious, no be here. It dey enter, see me now, I'm eating my own now. As my neighbor finish doing the thing now, of course he have to give me now. If you no give me now, problem dey ground. I go test am now. How you go finish doing that work? I dey your side, you no go give me, I no go even test am. So wetin happen? See me now, we dey test our own. You see this one, as we dey do am so, as e small reach like this, na everybody go chop am. I go share am, even though if na one, even we go share am half. Everybody like to chop this kanwake. My children love this kanwake like say tomorrow no day. I don't know, kanwake for the northerners. If you have been not, oh my God, you understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm talking about? Please.